Indonesian buyer joins hands with Bronze Wing Trading for the issuance of SBLC facility. An Indonesian buyer required SBLC facility to purchase Panasonic LED 50-watt solar streetlights from a local Panasonic LED light distributor. The buyer found Bronze Wing Trading to be the leading, genuine and trusted SBLC provider in Dubai and contacted us with their request. Further, to learn more about our SBLC issuance process and to sign the service agreement and pay the charges, they visited our Bronze Wing Trading office in Dubai, Business Bay, United Arab Emirates. It's our honor to give a warm welcome for our client from Indonesia. We feel proud to serve the SBLC transaction for their street lights purchase deal. Bronze Wing Trading, the SBLC providers in Dubai, have years of experience in assisting importers to get standby LC from European banks at zero cash margin. To know our SBLC issuance process, email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 9714551969. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.